If equipped, LaneSense uses a forward-looking camera to monitor lane markings and your position within the lane boundaries. To activate the system, push the LaneSense button on the end of the multifunction lever. A LaneSense On message will appear in the instrument cluster display. If both lane markings are detected and you unintentionally drift out of the lane with no turn signal, or if you depart your lane in a direction opposite what you've signaled, LaneSense provides a steering wheel torque warning to remind you of the lane boundaries. For example, if you apply the left turn signal but try to depart the lane to your right. In these situations, LaneSense will also provide a visual warning in your instrument cluster display. You can override the torque warning by applying your own torque to the steering wheel at any time. You can also adjust the strength of the steering wheel torque from low to high, as well as the timing of the warning, from early to late in the Uconnect system. When only one lane marking is detected and you drift across the lane boundary, LaneSense provides a visual warning only. To deactivate the system, push the LaneSense button 2 times. LaneSense retains the last system state, on or off, between ignition cycles. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.